Guys, thank you very much for helping me reaching 500 subscribers. So we still have to work for another half. So at least we're going to meet Lolo's requirements of 1,000 subscribers. Hello guys, good morning. Today is already 12 o'clock. So by the way, a shout out to my neighbor named Lee, J. Mark, Jerry. So for today's video, I don't have really intention to have a video for today, but apparently when I check out my email, I received a confirmation that I already got 550 subscriber for my channel, so as a beginners. So I really thank you guys to all who subscribe to my channel, Santella TV. Thank you very much, and please those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I really encourage you to subscribe, and please help me with my endeavors to spread the good news. As theologians, I really have this kind of intention to spread the good news. So we still have to work for another half. Or at least we're going to meet Lolo's requirements of 1,000 subscribers.
Advance ako mag-isip.
Okay? So, for today's video, I also include unboxing my 2020, this one, 2020 anti-theft USB with port backpack. So just arrived the other day, so I don't know how does it look like, but maybe let's check this out. So ready? Okay. So here, I'm so excited now. Okay. I bought it, I guess, but it takes almost 3 months, because I ordered this one last this March. So it just arrived the other day. So today is already July or April, I guess. So almost 2.5 months. Okay. So here it is. So no more content. So let's check. So this could be good for my traveling. Oh, wow. See? Oh, here's the USB port. Look. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then the back. Okay, as it's described from the video that I saw, can be also extended. Oh, this one, extendable. So here's the USB port. Then this is good for my charger. This is great. So it can be good. Then I'm here. Then let's do it here. Let me charge my cell phone here. And of course, the backpack also contains our laptop. So the theologians, I'm teaching. So this could be a good means to carry my backpack. So, wow. So this is waterproof. So I can carry it, hand carry, and backpack also. Of course, my tablet can be also, my iPad can be contained also here. Yeah. Okay. laptop is also can be good for here. So I love red. See, you see, my shirt is red. The cover my iPad is red. Yeah, good. Okay, so that's it. So guys, thank you very much for helping me reaching 500 subscribers. So we still have to work for another half. For at least we're going to meet Lolo's requirements of 1,000 subscribers. Oh, shout out kayo dali. Shout out to my neighbor.
Christian neighbor.